This video shows the latitude and longitude synchronization flow. First, we go to the Contacts app and open any contact form. Here, we can see the Google location input field. Now, we type an address in the location input field. After typing, Google suggested addresses are displayed. We select one suggested address from the list. After selecting the address, as you can see, the contact address fields are automatically filled. The map preview is also displayed with a pin marker on the selected location. Now, below the map preview, we have added the GPS coordinates section. In this section, the latitude value is displayed on the left side and the longitude value is displayed on the right side. These latitude and longitude fields are read-only, so the user cannot manually change them. The values are automatically updated from the selected Google address. Now we save the contact. After saving, we refresh or reopen the same contact. As you can see, the latitude and longitude values are still saved properly. So with this feature, whenever the user selects a Google address, the exact GPS coordinates are automatically stored in Odoo fields